Hello everybody, it is my pleasure to welcome you to another interesting part of our importation class. And in today's class I'm going to show you how you can activate your 1688 app. So after you have downloaded the 1688 app and you have downloaded Google Translate, so all you have to do is to see how you can start using it. So the first thing I'm going to do now to show you now is to click on the apps, which is this one in red orange icon. So I'm going to click on it. So when I click on it, this is how it's going to look like. Now when you get to this point, this big orange button simply means you want to continue, you want to accept. Then you click on it. So when you click on it, this is going to pop up. So allow to make and manage phone call, then click on allow. All right, as simple as that. So this is how you activate your 1688 apps, so without stressful, without wasting much of your time. So this is how the thing is done. Now having logged into the apps like this, so the next thing is to see how you can log in and how you can effectively make use of the app. Now you notice that after we have accept the store, so another thing pumps up. So what I'm going to do now is that to make it very much easy for you guys, so we need to understand what this information that pops on our screen right here, what it really means. So that's what I'm going to show you now. Now I'm going to stop the recording now and I'm going to screenshot this and we translate it so everybody will understand what they are trying to say right here. Okay. Welcome back everybody. So I have already screenshot, so let's go to Google Translate and understand the meaning of all these things we are seeing on the screen right here. So I will translate now. Then you go to your import, then you select the screenshot. Now this orange here, sign in to get a maximum 88 yuan rate. That's what that red means. Then this big blue button makes quick login. So then this one here means 1688 account. This one here means quick registration. Since we have already registered our 1688, so the next thing to do is to select this, which has to do with 1688 account login. So let's see how it's going to, the interface is going to look like. So we'll go back to our then we click on it. Now it's going to ask us about our login detail. So now at the top here, and we're going to, this is where you're going to type in your Tahoba username. So my Tahoba username, and followed by your password here. So for the purpose of security reason, I'm going to pause this. The recording. Then we continue once I'm input my once I input my username and password, then we continue with the recording. Okay. All right, so the next thing to do is to click on this orange. And if you click on the orange, all right, so we have successfully logged into 1688 app. So this is how the interface of the app look like. So you can do anything in this app. You can search for products, you can chat with supplier, you can make a payment direct in this app. So all you do is to follow the simple steps and see how you activate the app after you have successfully download and install it. So this is how everything is on is work. So the next video, I'm going to show you how you can effectively make use of this app to purchase your product using to purchase your product on 1688. So I hope you understand this simple process on how you can activate your 1688 apps, and then how you can log in with your Tahoba username and your password. So I hope to see you in the next. So thanks for watching, and if you have any question, you can as well send back to me via this I'm going to put on the screen of this video. So hope to hear from you soon. Bye.